Hey y'all, cutting up, keeping it real tonight in my kitchen. I'm doing some Italian chicken and I'm gonna put marinara sauce over it that I canned from last year. But you can use any kind of marinara sauce that you like or that you make or that you buy in the store. Get down, Cookie, that's not for you. Cookie and I are in the kitchen. I'm gonna start by putting a little bit of olive oil on my pan. And I'm just gonna take a paper towel and spread that around so the chicken doesn't stick and it's a little easier to clean up. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna take. You can use real herbs or you can use dried herbs. I have some basil that I got from a pot that I have outside. I always put my herbs in pots. They're a little easier to get to. That I don't have to bend over so much to get to them, and they're in a more controlled environment, in my opinion. So I'm going to take some of this basil. I'm going to use some oregano. And a little bit of rosemary. I'm going to use a lot of basil. I have a lot of that and I like to use what I've got. And cut it off so it continues to grow and it's healthy and all those good things. Summertime eating, it's one of my favorites with real herbs. Okay, this is the oregano. And I just clipped it off and washed it, brought it in. Here's a little more of that basil. I don't want to waste any of it. Cookie. Should be into something. And I'm going to chop this up and put it over the chicken. Cookie. Let me put my eyes on her. Excuse me. Cook. Lord have mercy. I apologize. The toilet paper bandit strikes again. Let me put that out of the way. No, ma'am. Get your toy. Get your toy. Let me wash my hands. Anyway, I'm going to take these herbs. Get your toy, baby. And chop them up for my chicken. And I'm actually going to use the everyday seasoning to season the chicken with. And then I'm going to sprinkle these herbs over the top. Listen, you have to just kind of roll sometimes. Things happen when you're videoing your meal prep in your house. That's the keeping it real side of this particular vlog. I knew she'd gotten a little too quiet. All right, I'm going to chop these, have them ready. Get in here, sister. Get your toy. Go get your piece of corn toy. This is not for you, sister girl. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just want to get it chopped enough that when I mix it up with my hands, the chicken will get a little bit of each one of these herbs on it. Okay. Let me set this to the side and pull this closer to me. And I'm just going to open up this chicken. And you know what? This is chicken breast. It's not chicken tenders this time. I forgot that I bought real chicken breasts this time. No problem. We'll cook them on 350 for probably about 30 minutes, and I'll check it for doneness. No, ma'am. And then we'll have a chicken breast, marinara over the top, and some mozzarella cheese. Let me get my hands a wash again after handling that chicken. And I'm going to sprinkle some everyday seasoning. And you can use whatever seasoning you like. And then I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. Get down. Cookie, get down. That'll give this chicken a great flavor. And then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the top. I don't want my chicken to dry out. And that is going to go into my 350-degree oven. Let me spread that out. Like I said, I'll check it at 30 minutes. Cook. I'll check it at 30 minutes for doneness. And then I'll be back to show you what else I do with the chicken. Y'all stay tuned. Chicken is out of the oven. It cooked for 30 minutes, uncovered. And so I'm going to take that, put it in a casserole dish that I put a little bit of olive oil in and smear that around so nothing really sticks. And I'm going to use this marinara that was canned last year. We'll pour a little bit of the excess water off. And then I'm going to cover this chicken with it. And like I said, you can use, store-bought marinara sauce. And I am going to cover it with mozzarella. I have a little bit of Tillamook mozzarella that I need to use. No, Cookie, this is not for you, sister girl. And then I'm going to open up a package of mozzarella, the little mozzarella balls. And I'm going to return this to the oven on 350 for about 20 more minutes. Put it over pasta. Whoop. Out lost one. No, Cookie, this is not for you, girl. And that is what's for dinner. At our house tonight. Chicken marinara pasta with mozzarella. Yum. Smells wonderful. Thanks for tuning in and watching the page. Keep it real. Like, share, and comment. We'll see you soon. Bye now.